In today's video, we will see how to reset the Braemar ducted heating step by step, restart and error code troubleshooting guide. So, resetting a Braemar ducted heating system involves clearing safety lockouts caused by overheating, flame failure, or power surge. Perform a hard reset by shutting down the power at the source. Step 1, how to perform a hard reset. So, turn off the wall controller, use the wall panel to switch the system off. Next, turn off the isolating switch. Locate the external power point or safely isolation switch next to the main heating unit. Turn it off. Next, wait. Leave the power off for 60 seconds to allow internal electrical capacitor to fully discharge. Next, restore power. Turn the isolation switch back on followed by your wall controller and set your desired temperature. Next, troubleshooting common error. If the system continues to flash, reset or display an error code, perform these basic troubleshooting steps. The step 1, check the air filter. If flashing heat symbols often means restricted airflow, clean or replace the filter located behind the return air guider. Next, step 2, inspect the igniter. So repeated lockouts are often linked to dirty or faulty flame sensor. The step 3, review error code. Braemar controllers such as the Spectrolink may flash specific codes like code 11 or -16 to pinpoint to the exact issue. Goodbye, thanks for watching.